Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add links to your LinkedIn post. If you've been wondering how to share URLs or direct people to external content through your LinkedIn updates, this guide will show you exactly how it works. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your LinkedIn homepage where you can see your feed and all the networking activity. Now, look for the option that says Start a Post. This is typically located at the top of your feed in a box that prompts you to share your thoughts or updates with your network. Click on it to open up the post creation window. Here's something important you need to understand before we continue. Unlike some other platforms, LinkedIn doesn't allow you to create traditional hyperlinks where you can hide a URL behind clickable text. You can't select a word or phrase and embed a link into it the way you might in an email or on some websites. This is just how LinkedIn's posting system is designed, so we'll need to work with what's available. With that in mind, go ahead and input your message into the post box. Write whatever content you want to share with your connections, whether it's an update, an article summary, or any other professional communication you have in mind. Now, to add your link, you'll need to input the whole link directly into your post. Simply type or paste the complete URL exactly as it appears. This means including the entire address, starting from https:// all the way through to the end of the URL. Don't try to shorten it or format it differently. Just paste the full link right into your text. Once you've added the complete URL, LinkedIn will automatically recognize it as a link and it will show up in your post or message as a clickable element. You'll often see a preview card appear below your text with an image, title, and description pulled from the web page you're linking to. This gives your audience a visual preview of what they'll find when they click through. When everything looks good and you're satisfied with how your post appears, click the Post button. This will publish your update to your network, making it visible to your connections and followers. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to your LinkedIn post by including the full URL directly in your message. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.